Hey guys, welcome to Andy's Fantails with another update video on how my fantail doves are getting on. Basically, the racing piston has paired up with the brown curved tail piston. The babies I've transferred in here last week are doing really well. That's one of the babies there. Then the other baby is there as well. I've let go about 5 or 6 of my younger doves, because basically it was getting a bit too much, too many again in here, so I've released them with a flock of doves near me. I've put in a fistful of rust down for them. Because this is the last video for 3 weeks. Because I'll be away. But somebody else is looking after them whilst I'm away. So, but there won't be no update videos for 3 weeks, so and that baby since last week has slowly getting its white tuft on its beak, slowly becoming an adult. I'll show you guys what's going on in the back. Recently, we've got some good news. So they're on 2 eggs. But what I'm going to do is that I don't really want to have them on eggs whilst I'm away. So I'm going to transfer these eggs under some fell pigeon nest. So that's going to happen tomorrow. So we'll see what happens. Then last a couple of days ago, I've transferred, or I did an egg swap actually. I've transferred the eggs what he was sitting on under some foul pigeon nest, and I've swapped the eggs, so now he's sat on the foul pigeon eggs and the foul pigeon is sat on his eggs. So we'll see what happens. But he's became a granddad again to these babies here. These was born this week. They're only a few days old, but I'm hoping whilst I'm away they'll survive. Then we've got this baby here. Then yeah, so hopefully when we see him next he'll have all his feathers and look like a young adult, hopefully. Alright, you got the racing pigeon bathroom there. So on that note, I'm going to end the video here, and there won't be another update video till 3 weeks. So keep subscribed. I will be back. I'm just going on holiday, so hopefully, hopefully the next time you get an update video, I'll have plenty of news to update you guys on. So thank you guys for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe on my channel. Give my videos a big thumbs up if you like the content. And yeah, I'll see you guys in 3 weeks' time.